Hey guys, so I'm about to make a quick little easy dinner. Yeah, so let's get started. Also stay tuned for the end to find out where I been and what's been going on. So all I'm gonna do is stir off some snapper. You see back there, I'm gonna use this spice on there. Everything will be in my description box. A little bit of thyme, and I have some lemon and orange pieces. I'm just going to toss it all into the skillet with the snapper, and that's it. Over here is a salad that I'm working on. I have red onions right here. I have orange segments. These are everything's thinly sliced. Green apples, and I drizzled on some lemon juice to stop the oxidation, will slow it down. And also it's going to add flavor to the salad because I'm not adding anything else to it really. And these are my English cucumbers. I used the vegetable peeler to get it to look like that. And yeah, so let's just toss it all together. Alright guys, so I have everything right here down in my bowl. All I'm going to do is sprinkle on a little bit of this Cajun seasoning, just a tiny sprinkling think. You don't need much. And a sprinkling think of agave. We already have that lemon juice all over the apples, so it's gonna mix and blend right in. All right, you guys, so I already put some thyme on my filet fish. Now I'm gonna take the spice I showed you guys earlier and just put it right down on here. You're gonna put this into a warm, hot, whatever skillet with some oil. You're gonna sear it on both sides and add the lemon and orange pieces. All right, guys, so I have my fish down in here with my orange and lemon pieces. And I'm just going to cook this up maybe 2 minutes per side. It cooks really fast. You don't want to overcook your fish. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like. My fish right here, perfectly cooked in my salad. Yeah, so I'm not gonna close out the whole video here because I want y'all to stay tuned at the end. I'm gonna talk with y'all for a little bit. And yeah, so I hope you guys give this a try. It's easy, simple, super healthy. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on my next cooking video. Not sure when it will be, but just stay tuned for the end so you guys could be updated. Hey y'all, so where have I been? Well, basically I've been trying to work on myself, my family, my weight. I have a lot going on. I have a wedding coming up. I'm also working on a project. It's a product project. I'm also writing my book. Like, it's just a lot going on, and like I said, it's mainly because I wanted to focus on myself for a little bit. You know, I've been feeling a very uncentered. I don't think that's a word, but that's, you know what I mean. And you know, I just need some time to meditate, read my Bible, do all that kind of stuff. And not just that, like I said, I've just been working a whole lot. So that's pretty much where I've been at. But if you follow me on social media, you know, you could get some Mesha's Corner in your life. I do recipes on my page currently, which are healthy recipes that are on my Instagram. Basically, you know, they're healthy because, like I said, I'm trying to lose some weight. I did lose 10 pounds in the last 2.5 weeks. And I'm just going to keep going. You know, the goal is to try. I'm going to attempt to lose 30 pounds by within the next 12 weeks. So let's see if I could do it. But anyway, I'm not doing anything special. I'm just making better choices and working out. That's pretty much all I'm doing. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing a keto diet. I'm not doing any of that. I'm just making better choices. I'm also doing the intermittent fasting that was recommended to me by my friend Gina. I'll link her below. She has more information on that. So I'll be doing my intermittent fasting. Well, not going to. That's what I have been doing since she told me about it. And it's been working out. It's been working out. It's not bad. I think because also I have an issue eating in the mornings. So not eating in the morning, you know, it's like nothing to me. But the real struggle was at night, because I'm always wanting to snack at night, but I have to be disciplined. Again, you know, I'm on blood pressure medicine. I don't want to be on it anymore. I don't want to be on anything, and I just need to get myself right, basically. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cook video that I just put up. I think it's gonna be somewhere in this video. And subscribe to my channel. Consistent videos probably won't be until like next year. I know it sounds crazy and doesn't make any sense, but for real, guys, my life is just hectic right now. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or concerns, list them below. If you have any tips, list them below. If you'd like to see anything specific on my channel, list it below. And I'll catch you guys on my next one. I think I have a couple more videos that's going to come out this weekend. But besides that, it's going to be maybe once every 2 weeks that you'll catch a video here. But again, follow me on social media. Mesha's Corner on everything. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Mesha's Corner. So that you could catch up on any recipes that I may not have on here. Yep, so I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.